Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But the big dynamic that happened today, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos, but if you didn't, I talked about this green line here representing $17.90 and talked about how that was an important level of support, because if the price were to go down to that level and then, break down through it, well, at that point, what would that be doing? Well, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where the price just broke out from. And that's just not a sign of true strength, right? Price movements that go back to where they were, not a sign of true power. And we actually had that test play out earlier on in the day. The price did pull back, actually temporarily did break down below the green line. But the key dynamic here is the price did not stay down there very long at all, and then ultimately bounced its way back upwards, which kept it up above that green line, which means this is still totally possible and in play. In other words, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but the price could come down here again, behave in that manner, then work its way back upwards. And what would you still have? Well, at that point, you'd still have a nice set of lows right here. You'd have these previous set of lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. That's what genuine, truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to make progress. And like I said, as long as the price stays above that 1790 mark, that is what is being represented. So that's why that was very important that, this morning things started off very rough. Price broke below there, but again, the price was not only able to get back above there, but actually create a nice bounce up from that area. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still have this area, that red line up around the 1975 mark. So that remains, roadblock number one if there's going to be any sort of bigger movement to the upside. But all in all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build that higher low, and that's what matters most. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.